Today I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Instapage site using DropInBlog. As you can see, I'm already on the back end of Instapage, and I'll go ahead and select landing pages on the left-hand side. And then you'll select create page on the top right and select standard landing page. Here I'm going to select blank page. And then you can name it whatever you would like, but I'm going to name ours blog and then select create. Here we can see our new page. You're just going to click into it and then select edit design on the top right corner. Perfect. When the builder pops up, we'll scroll down on the left-hand side and select HTML. And you'll get this pop-up box. I'm just going to increase the width here. And then you'll have this little box and select edit. And this is where you need to head over to DropInBlog to grab your code. So I already have DropInBlog open in another tab, and you'll select code and layout on the top menu. And then we'll scroll down and copy step 1's code. And then go back to Instapage, paste that in, hit enter, go back over to DropInBlog, copy step 2's code, and paste that in, and then select done. Now we can hit save on the top menu. And you can go ahead and exit out on the top left corner. Then we'll have this pop-up where you can preview your page. I'm going to select Publish Experience on the bottom. And then for our purposes, I'm going to do a demo page for publishing. And for subdomain name, I'll just name ours Instapage Demo, and then select Publish, and then confirm. Perfect. And then you can select this URL, and we can see that our blog has already successfully integrated with each of our individual posts here. We do have one more step. You need to copy your URL right here, head back into DropInBlog, and go to Settings. And then under blog URL, paste that new URL in. Scroll down and select Save All Changes. Perfect. Now DropInBlog is successfully communicating with Instapage, and this is how you quickly and easily add a blog to your Instapage site. Happy blogging!